and molecules. Okay, so today the word of the day is elements. And our definition is that elements cannot be broken down into anything smaller. All right, so I should see binders out, taking down our notes for that, and then we will get started. All right, so today is going to be set out in steps of 3, okay? All learning about atoms, elements, and molecules. So I have this quote up here. It says, while we teach, we learn. When we learn a new concept, one of the best ways to know that we've mastered it is to be able to teach it to others. So by the end of the class today, you will have mastered one word and you will teach it to 2 members of your class, okay? So I'm going to go through the instructions for step 1 first, and then after that, we're going to move into our groups. Okay, so step 1 is going to be getting into our groups of 3, and I will tell you where to go in a room also. You're going to divide who's going to do which word, either atoms, elements, or molecules, alphabetically by your first name, all right? You're going to open up the link on Canvas, the homepage for this class, that corresponds to which word you have, okay? And that's how you're going to do your research to master your word. All right, we're going to have 10 minutes for this section. There's also a fun fact at the bottom there where you guys can take some extra time kind of looking around on the website and find a fun fact about your topic, okay? Any questions about step 1 before we get into our groups? Okay, and then each section is going to have a timer up on the board here. As that gets to 0, that's your guys' cue to kind of shift your attention back to the front of the room, and we'll do instructions again for step 2. All right? Okay, so getting into our group here. Okay, so we're going to have Reese's group at this table, Henry's group also at this front table. Okay, more towards this back section. We're going to have Caleb's group right here, Jason's group right here. Wait, our voices should still be off until I'm done telling people where to go. Berkeley's group right here, Emma's group right here, and then Hayden.
Oh, I need to get on there.
There's 2 kids.
Yeah, there's 2 kids.
Okay, we're going to have Hayden's group right here, and Peyton's group in the back. Go ahead and do now.
Can I go in there?
Okay, it looks like we're missing our two last groups, Aiden, Milo, and Marge over here.
Aiden's on.
Oh,
Milo's in back.
and Kevin, Nathan, and Kevin. Alright, you guys can have 10 minutes for this first section, kind of working by yourself to master your word. Yeah, just grab your phone. Okay, I'll do that for next. I haven't done this
So is it stationary?
Okay. Are you gonna
Third time, take a ball.
And if you get done early, you can explore some other pages on the website.
We always have some lines on what we're supposed to get on that.
That would be but for right now. Got about a minute and a half left. And you just need to be done with your section.
Do we have to do a contract?
Yes. Just search the website. The website has a bunch of facts on it. go ahead and wrap up whichever question you're on, and then go ahead and bring your eyes up here for the next instructions. All right, thank you. Okay, so step 2 is now going to be in a little bit bigger groups. We're going to divide into atoms, elements, and molecules. And the goal of this step is to answer any questions that you might not have gotten down. Make sure that your answers, you guys feel as a group, are correct. And because you are going to take that information and then you're going to present it to your groups of 3 when we're done with this step. So the way that this one will look is you'll be grouped together, in a circle format. And if you guys want to have one person be the leader and kind of walk through the worksheet together, this does not look like trading papers and writing stuff down. It should be us actively communicating, listening to our group to figure out and master this work. Okay, so you can have a leader kind of go through it, and you guys provide answers as a group, or you can read it out loud together, but everyone should be communicating together in a group, okay? Any clarifications on step 2? Okay, we're gonna put atoms at this table, elements at this table, and molecules at the next table. Go ahead and go
Let's go, fellas. Watch out my elements. Right here. Next one, I got elements. And then the next one, I got molecules. And I got yes. Alright, I'll be What's H2O? First one, I got
Wait, fine.
3, no, 4 atoms, and then 5 You're reading? Yes. You just say.
Huh?
Yeah, it says
Oh, 6. Hydrogen gas, water can be called a molecule or compound because it is
think about what's the difference between a molecule and a compound. Go back up to number 2. What makes them different? Okay, so look at H2O. So that's what
they also can be called.
because a molecule is smaller than I think of it as a simpler form of a compound. Just because we have 2 elements, that's what makes it a compound. That's a difference between molecule and compound. Make sure you guys share your fun facts.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Other one here. Can you guys go ahead and go through one by one your fun fact that you found for elements?
So there's over
Kevin, are you actively listening? We're going to do our fun facts as we discuss. How do you want to turn it? My fun facts are you guys see that all of our my fun facts I got you guys do your one at a time fun facts.
every combination of atoms is a compound.
I did.
answers in the back, so you have to have it at a time. What would you agree? Right. So also, we have our periodic table. Leave it out. Let me go back. And that's what we use that table. And then we'll just try to
Yeah.
You guys still have to master it? Right. Alright, let's see if this last time to head back to your original group. Kevin, I got to your original group.
Yeah, Kevin, alright, we're just going back on. Back to our seat.
Yeah. So to be with your original group 3.
But you get we have to do it.
All right, our last and final step for this exercise is for you to now teach your group your words. So you guys tell me, what does it look like when a teacher is teaching about a topic? What are some things that... Raise your hand. Raise your hand. They answer any questions, right? What else? Are they normally sitting or are they normally standing? Standing. Do they just hand the paper to the group and let them copy the answers? No. Okay, so my point here is when you're presenting to your group, kind of stand up. You've now spent over half the class mastering this topic. So stand up and you should be reading through the question and helping them with the answer. You shouldn't just be reading the blanks. You can tell them your fun fact also as you're reading. Okay, any questions on how this step will look? Okay, so our order is going to be atoms will go first, then elements and molecules. So atoms can go ahead and stand up with your paper. And whenever you're ready.
What's up?
I gotta make sure. All this, yeah.
Let me go see. Swear about it. Yep.
Right
Is that all? Yeah, you gotta see it. Yeah.
I did say.
Yeah, what's
Elements.
that your fun? That's your fun. Okay, what was the second one?
Would you like to go now?
No, we haven't ordered it.
I'm ready.
Oh, are we? Yeah, okay. You go, do your next.
Okay, I go next. Okay, guys. When
What table? There is almost.
Yeah, alright, so. Adam? Property.
This one was fun. The third one. Let me see. Is that a Let me see that, Kevin.
Yo, so.
Yeah, I was going like that. It was right there. Why would it be like that? I think.
Oh, he's going to find his paper. Why does he have yours?
Did you find it?
one back. Milo.
There is over
There is.
It's 146. I've discovered number.
What was the exact? Okay, so it's my turn. Oh yeah, oh there's people. Number one. Molecule is a general term used to describe atoms that are connected by chemical bonds.
Keep your worksheet down when you're at your seat.
I never do it like the answer is element. For a molecule to become a compound, it has to chemical bond between different elements. Oh, molecule, number 3, molecule. Item 40. Number 4 is yes. I can't even keep it out. Hopeless and and my phone. Just bring my phone back. Oh, well, maybe. I just said it. Yeah.
Let's make our way back to our seat and get our.
Kevin, get your Chromebook.
Thank you very much.
Alright, fourth hour, we're gonna go through this as a group. So get your worksheets out.
I just started. This is not.
Okay, I'm gonna read the sentence. You guys are gonna read the fill in the blank. When we get to the bottom for the fun fact, we're now in completely different groups. So we're gonna pause and you guys can share your fun facts at your table. And then we'll come back up and we'll go through elements next, okay? So atoms are the, let's try again. Atoms are the, you are made up of different types of atoms. Atoms are defined as the units of matter that have the properties of an awesome. Protons, good, can organize to form atoms and are all the basic subunits for all atoms across the universe. Actually, we're going to pause on the fun facts. I'm going to keep reading through all of them and then we're going to do all the fun facts at your table. Okay, elements. When the protons, neutrons, and electrons start combining in specific numbers, you form elements. Awesome. There are almost 120. Good. Can elements be broken down?
No.
The term element is used to describe with specific characteristics. What's our big table that we look at? Good. Molecule is the general term used to describe atoms that are connected by chemical bonds. For a molecule to become a compound, it has to chemically bond 2 or more different elements. Good. Hydrogen gas is a, but not a compound because it's only made of one element. Is a H2O compounds?
Yes.
Awesome. The two main types of chemical bonds that hold atoms together are? Okay, repeat after me. Covalent and ionic. Awesome. Okay, so now within your tables that you're at in your groups of 3, I want you to share your different fun facts that you got throughout your different groups today. Okay?
See, the thing is, I was never. I wrote a paper and I was wondering.
Okay, 4th hour, last thing. I would just like to say thank you for today. You guys did great. I know that was a lot of different instruction and movement. I appreciate you working with me on that. You did great teaching it. You guys show me real quick, thumbs up, middle, or down for how you feel about atoms, elements, and molecules. Feeling pretty good? And just remember, today is day 1. You guys are going to be working with these new terms for the rest of the week. All right, you can stay in your seats for me before the bell rings, so you can